Have you heard about the latest programming language for AI, Mojo? Today we're going to take a look at whether it lives up to the hype. First off, Mojo is designed to make it easier to write and optimize code for machine learning. With built-in features like autodiff, it promises to make the process faster and smoother than ever before. But how easy is it for beginners? Well, Mojo has a relatively low learning curve, with a syntax similar to Python. It also provides a number of templates and examples to get you started quickly. Perhaps the most impressive thing about Mojo, though, is how fast it can run. Its performance is comparable to languages like C++, but with the added convenience of higher-level features. Of course, like any new language, there are still some kinks to be worked out. The library of built-in functions is somewhat limited, and there are some compatibility issues with other tools in the AI ecosystem. Overall, though, Mojo shows a lot of promise. If you're a machine learning enthusiast or professional, it's definitely worth giving a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials.